Learn how to create a peel-off lettering effect with PowerPoint. Here's another Freedom Lab cheat sheet video. Quick and simple step-by-step instructions for online business tech. In this video, I want to show you how to do this peel off the page look. The point is to highlight the phrase wide variety of animations so that it really grabs attention in my video. The first step is to copy that phrase and change the color. Next, I place the highlighted text on top of the original text. Now I add a circle animation to my blue text. This is the motion you get as default. In the animation pane is where you can adjust effect options. In animations, make sure you have the animation pane open. Next, select Effect options to change the motion of the lettering. Go down to Animate Text and change it to By Letter and change the delay to 5%. In Bounce and Above, I change that to 0.34 of a second to get a bit of a rebound when the letters land. Now click OK, and that's it. Now you know how to do peel-off lettering. And feel free to play around with all the triggers and different animations. You never know what cool effects you'll come up with. If you like this short and sweet cheat sheet video, grab your favorite cuppa and join me at FreedomLab.biz for more online business tips.